Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick video on how I make my salsa verde. So if you want to learn how to make this yummy salsa, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just picking some tomatoes, and then I'm going to go over here and pick a serrano pepper, which I actually didn't end up using. But let's get into the kitchen now. So here we have 2 tomatoes, 1 jalapeno, 12 red chilies, 5 tomatillos, a quarter of an onion, that I'm just showing you another red tomato, garlic, 3 cloves, some cilantro, and any type of chicken bouillon that you like. Okay, so after I get all my ingredients together, I put them all in a pot, as I'm doing right here. You can take the stems off. I always choose to do it after. That's just up to you. Okay, and then we're just going to fill this up with water, and we will bring it to a boil. And when I mean boil, you're going to want to bring it up to a rapid boil. So now that while that is boiling, you're going to want to take out your cilantro, and I'm just roughly chopping it. I also forgot to add that, see that part of that jalapeno? I actually cut it in half. You can always do the whole jalapeno. You could actually do 2 jalapenos if you wanted to. I just made this a little bit more mild, but if you want it super spicy, go ahead, add the whole jalapeno or add 2. Okay, now that that is at a rapid boil, I'm going to turn it off. You don't want to keep it boiling for too long because you don't want your veggies to get too soggy. And then here I am clipping off the stems of the chilies and the tomatoes, which I should have taken the stems off the tomatoes, but I am just going to do that here, and I'm adding everything to the blender. I'm going to just fast forward this, that way you don't have to sit here and wait for me to finish putting everything into the blender. I'm also going to add about, I want to say about a half a cup of water to this, and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, and a little bit of pepper, as you'll see. Oh, and don't forget to add the chopped cilantro. So let's get that in there. And then here we are. I'm about to add some chicken bouillon. I will link, or I will list what type of bouillon I use, just in case you want to know. Here I'm just adding about a tablespoon. And then I'm adding a little bit of black pepper right here. Like I said, you can do this all to your liking. I like my food a little bit salty, so maybe you'll want to add a little less. And then here I'm just blending it all up, just blend, blend, blend. Keep on blending until it's fully mixed. And then once it's done blended, put it in a bowl and let it cool. I would let it chill for about 2 hours, and you have nice, fresh, yummy salsa verde. Okay, and I have one of my friends testing it out. So here you go. How is it? Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up.